Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be installing new headlight bulbs on my 2002 4Runner. Right now we have the OEM original halogens. They're not as bright as they can be, and I'd like to try these out and see how they perform. These are LED lights by OXILAM. They're 6500K and the size is H4. So we'll do an unboxing, we'll take a look at the install, which is pretty straightforward, and then we'll do a comparison before and after and see side by side in this kind of light and in the dark. So stay tuned, let's get started. This is what the box looks like. Let's see all sides. And then the back. Now let's open it. So in the box we have a set of gloves, which is pretty handy. We have the product manual with instructions and things like that. And then here's what the headlights look like. Very good packaging. I actually like this. I've never seen kind of gloves come with these headlight packages before. Alright, let's get started. First off, just to be safe, I'm gonna disconnect the negative terminal on the battery, and basically we're gonna pull this terminal out and push it aside. What we do first is we go behind the light and we see the connection. So this rubber thing says top pull up, and as we do that, before we do that, we're gonna pull this tab. So this you can pretty much just pull out like that. You pulled out the connector. Now we'll pull out this rubber cap. Gotta give it some strength. And this rubber cap came out. Alright. Now you move the connector aside. And you take this pin, you pull it up, and then you bring it out. And there you go. You have your old halogen headlight bulb. I'll keep it somewhere safe. Here's what they both look like side by side. This is the old halogen one, H4, and this is the LED one we're installing, with about 4 pretty big, decent sized LEDs, and the cooling seems like it's built inside with the same connectors. So let's take this, I got the gloves on, and install it. So you can see there's 1, 2, and 3 tabs. Now we're going to take this bigger tab that's kind of pointed like a V or a Y, and we're going to line it upwards like that, facing the sky. So see that tab? It goes through this hole right here. It's pretty cool to see from here. You can see the light kind of coming through. So we're gonna line up the tabs. You want to make sure the tab doesn't like go in like that. You want to make sure it lines up properly like that. Like that. With that spring clip connected, what we're first going to do is we're going to take this rubber cover, put the hole around these pins, and then kind of make it flush into the surface. Line it up and just push it in. And then you also want to make sure where the pin connectors are, there's enough clearance for the clip to go through. So you might have to stretch it a little more. Now with this flush in place, I had to kind of like wrap this around the connector, make sure there's enough clearance, and then you take this plug, line it up, and then just snap it in place like that. Make sure it's flush, push it in. So that's pretty much the install. It's pretty straightforward. So now I'm going to connect the battery and let's see how it looks. That's a huge difference. This looks so much brighter. You can see even how much of the space of the headlight assembly is filled in versus this. So 6500K, it's a nice color. It's not too blue or anything. It's like a nice white, subtle. Let's look at it up close. So it fills in it pretty well. This is what the original looks like. And we'll soon do a night comparison to see how it really turns out. But so far, I'm impressed. So as the sun is setting, here's what the headlights look like in a more darker environment. And already I've been driving around and it's such a big difference. They're so much brighter compared to before. And I didn't realize how much vision I was losing out on with these original halogen bulbs. So this is what it looks like on my garage door, about 7 to 10 feet away. And here's what it looks like when you're facing in the front. They're not too bright or in your face. I like that they're subtle. They're not like those extreme HID headlights. And I love the tone as well. And here's what the difference looks like. So the original ones, and these OXILAM 6500K H4 bulbs. So yeah, straight on, pretty good amount of light. Overall, pretty impressed with these OXILAM LED lights. If you're interested, I'll put the link below, and thank you to OXILAM for supplying these bulbs. Anyways, I appreciate you watching this video, and stay tuned for more. Thank you. Bye.